Look at these two candles. Same size, same color, same zone. One of them just gave you a real signal. The other one is about to trick a lot of traders into entering too early. By the end of this video, you'll be able to tell the difference instantly. And that one skill is going to clean up more of your entries than any new indicator ever will.
Quick recap, because this matters for everything that follows. A candle isn't finished until it closes. While it's forming, the wick can stretch way past where the body ends up. So if you're reacting to what you see in real time, you're reacting to a candle that hasn't told you its real story yet. Every example in this video is read after the close. That's not a style choice. That's the rule.
Every candle has two parts that are telling you two different stories. The body is where price actually settled, where buyers or sellers won the argument by the close. The wick is where price went and got rejected, where the other side pushed back. A decisive candle is one where the body dominates. A big body means conviction. A long wick relative to a small body means indecision, rejection, or a fight that the close didn't resolve in either side's favor. Before you read anything else about a candle, ask yourself this one question. Is this candle mostly body or mostly wick?
This is what we're actually looking for, a displacement candle. It's a candle with a large body, strong momentum, and critically, it closes through a structural level. Not just touches it, closes through it, with minimal wick on the breakout side. That's the signature of real institutional intent moving price. Color doesn't matter here. Green or red, bullish or bearish, the test is the same. Did this candle's body do the work? And did it close beyond the level that mattered? Here's mistake number one, and it's the most common one in the entire SMC space. Price pokes through a level mid-candle. It looks like the breakout you've been waiting for, and you enter right then. Then the candle closes, and that wick retracts back below the level. What looked like displacement was actually a rejection. The candle hasn't finished its sentence yet, and you already acted on the first half of it.
Mistake number two, treating any big candle as displacement. Size alone doesn't mean anything. A candle can be huge purely because of volatility, with long wicks on both sides and a tiny body doing nothing useful. A candle only counts as displacement if it's big, and it's mostly body, and it closes through a level that matters. Take away any one of those three, and it's just noise.
If you've been following the main course, you'll recognize this. The Four-Test Inducement Checklist has 4 conditions: size, protection, proximity, and candle quality. That last one, candle quality, is exactly what this entire video has been about. Everything we just covered, body versus wick, displacement, the close rule, that's the test in full. So if you've been ticking that box without really knowing what you were checking for, you now actually know.
That's candle anatomy, the foundation everything else in this series builds on. Next up in the Fusion series, we take this further. How a valid rejection actually looks when price arrives at an order block, a fair value gap, or a breaker block. And if you want to see this exact skill in action, in real time, go watch the drop-down series. Every trigger in that series is this video applied live. Subscribe so you don't miss episode 2. And as always, stay in the zone.